morning, boys and girls. For Fundations today, we are learning our next two letters are A and G. So first we're going to go over our drill cards, and we're going to include all the letters that we've learned so far, and then we're going to add our new ones. Now remember, we always say our letter, our keyword, and then our sound, okay? So today we're going to start with our first new letter, which is A. A, apple, A. Our next new letter is G. So we're going to say our letter, our keyword, and our sound. G, game, G. G, game, G. Now you don't want to go G, because then you add an extra sound. You want to make sure that you are just saying G, just the G sound, okay? So when we say our sounds, it's important that we repeat when Mrs. Mazzucato does. So I expect you when you're in your lessons and watching me that you are repeating and actively doing this as well. Alrighty? All right, next. B, bat, B. O, octopus, ah. C, cat, K. T, top, T. N, nut, N. I, itch, I. F, fun, F. U, up. M, man, M. And that's our drill cards for today, okay? All righty. So now today we're going to be practicing writing our letter A first. So we're going to do our sky right. So I'd like everybody to stand up, point straight out. Now lowercase a always starts on the plane line. So you're not going to be up here and you're not going to be down here. You're going to start on our plane line. Start on your plane line, go around, down, back up, and then back down to the grass line. So we're going to do that again. Start at the plane line, go around, down to the grass line, go back up to the plane line, and go back down to the grass line. And again, start at the plane line, go around, down to the grass line, back up to the plane line, and back down to the grass line. Now I'd like you to do that on your dry erase paper 6 times. So make sure that you do it for 6 times on your dry erase. Or if you don't have a dry erase marker yet, please do it on a notebook paper. So we're going to start at our plane line. We're going to go around, down to the grass line, and back down to the grass line. And then back up to the plane line and back down. Okay, so again, we'll start on the plane line. We'll go around to the grass line. We'll go back up to the plane line and back down to our grass line. Okay, and I'd like you to do that 6 times on your paper. And remember, you can pause me if you need more time, okay? But Mrs. Mazzucato is going to keep going, but you are more than welcome to pause. So I start on my plane line, go around down to my grass line, back up to my plane line, and down to the grass line. And I make an A, lowercase a. Okay? Now that you've finished those, I would like you to get ready for a skywrite for the letter G. Okay? So letter G is another plain line letter, but this time we're going to go down to our word line, our first letter that we're going down. All right, so we start at our plain line. We go around just like the A, around down to the grass line. We go back up to the plain line, and then we curve and go down around to the worm line. Okay, so this one's a little more tricky. Start at your plain line, go around down to your grass line, back up to your plain line, and back down around to your worm line. Okay, start at your plain line, go around down and back up, and then scoop down to that worm line. Okay, so now watch me draw it on the board. So we're going to start at our plain line. We're going to go around and back up to our plain line, and then back down to our word line. And that is a G, lowercase g. G says G. All right, we're going to do it again. So we start on our plane line. We go around down to our grass line, back up to the plane line, and then back down and around to our worm line. Okay. And we're going to do one more together, and then I would like you to practice and make sure you take a picture on your dry erase. So we started our plane line, we go down to our grass line, back up to the plane line, and back around to the worm line. Okay. Make sure you do it 6 times. Alrighty. And once you have finished, make sure you take your picture. And that's all for today, boys and girls, and I will see you later. Bye.